So you can also utilize a third-party Google Photos Delete tool in order to make deleting of photos much more manageable and easier. So for that, first of all, I'm going to click on the Google menu button right here and then go to the Chrome Web Store. If you are to go onto a web browser and type in chromewebstore.google.com, then you get access to this page as well. So now over here, you simply need to go ahead and type in Google Photos Delete tool right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, this is what you have. It says bulk delete Google Photos. So let me just go ahead and add this to Chrome right here and add the extension. And once you do that, this has been added in, as you can see right here. So now in Google Photos, what happens is that you can enable this. So let's just go ahead on to bulk delete tool. And once you do that, you can see that I can go ahead and simply click, and then all of these selected images right here now can be deleted. So I can go ahead and then click on this, and then everything will be deleted right here. But you need to go ahead and be very careful on the images that you select, because it immediately deletes out everything right here that you select. So you can go ahead and then open up and simply click on this, and everything will be bulk deleted. And that is how you can use the Google Photos Delete tool to bulk delete images inside of Google Photos. So if I were to go around onto any album right here, I can go around and simply click on this, and then it bulk deletes out everything right here, as you can see right here. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.